In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cut a hole through a mesh in Blender using the Boolean difference modifier. We'll start by adding a main mesh to work with. In the 3D viewport, add a basic object like a cube. This will be the object we're cutting into. You'll see it appear at the scene's origin, and it's a great, simple shape for demonstrating Boolean operations. Next, add a second mesh that will act as the cutter, for example, a cylinder. This object will define the shape of the hole we're removing from the cube. Think of it like a drill bit passing through a block. Now move the cylinder so it goes through the cube. Use the Move tool or your preferred transform controls to position it so that it clearly intersects the cube, ideally entering one side and exiting the other. Make sure the cylinder isn't just touching the surface, it should pass all the way through. A clean intersection helps the Boolean operation work reliably. Select the cube, since that's the object that will receive the modifier. It's important the cube is the active object before you continue. Add a Boolean modifier to the cube from the Modifiers tab, represented by the wrench icon in the Properties panel. This tells Blender to use a second object to affect the cube's geometry. Set the operation to difference. Difference removes the volume of the target object from the main object, which is exactly what we want to cut a hole. Next, choose the cylinder as the target object in the Boolean modifier's object field. As soon as you select it, you should see the preview of the cut in the viewport. If you don't see a hole, double check that the cylinder is really intersecting the cube and that the cube is the one with the modifier. When you're happy with the result, apply the modifier. Applying makes the change permanent, converting the live Boolean effect into real geometry on the cube. This step finalizes the cut so it will remain even if the cutter object is removed. Finally, delete or hide the cylinder. If you're done with it, deleting cleans up your scene. If you'd like to keep it around for reference, simply hide it from the viewport or make it non-renderable. At this point, you'll be left with your cube cleanly cut by the cylinder's shape, ready for further modeling, shading, or rendering.